welcome back to our cooking show.
Never say that again. No. You can't do that.
I swear to God, if you ruin this for me again, I'm gonna explode. Today we have a special guest. His name is Dur. His name is the Beef Boss. Hello, Beef Boss.
Hello.
I should
be in the kitchen.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Can you teach us how to make some delicious
I'm ready to
Dur?
be. This is my birthday.
Okay, well, it doesn't matter. Can you put those away? Can
Eat the nuggets.
Can you stop?
They're not even cooked.
All right, can you cook us some Dur nuggets?
Okay.
Excuse me. These these nuggets
These
cold?
also not cooked. We're gonna get salmon now.
All right,
Were these nuggets cold or cooked?
all right. Dur nuggets. Dur.
You stir
Let's
it up.
cook some dirt. Cook some dirt.
You just stir it up like this.
Oh,
And then you flip.
this is real good.
And you cook it. It burns!
The stove isn't even on. All right, now let's serve this on a plate. All right, so these are some. Junior, I swear to God, not with the brisk again. I swear, Junior. Can you not drink your brisk,
Did
please?
he do this normally?
All right, yes, like every day.
That looks worse.
Stop it.
Yoshi, can I complain? This looks worse than 16-bit.
For God's sake. Did you have to say that? Because the last 5 videos or 6.
From this series, it was like, I meant to speak in. Now let's make these beautiful dishes.
These so good.
Junior, do you have anything to add to this?
What?
Do you have anything to? Of course.
It's right now. It's
Of
right now.
course, of course. You know what? This is the conclusion to our cooking show. These are the beautiful chicken nuggets and blue cheese.
Actually,
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more cooking.
Let's leave now. I'm gonna leave now.